welcome to It's Easy. I am starting a new series covering basics of electrical engineering. So, without a further ado, let's get started. In part 1, I will discuss about what is voltage and what is current and also what is resistance. So, I will go through basics and will try my best so that you can understand basic concepts which then will be helpful in future videos. So, what is voltage? It is basically a electromotive force or pressure to move charges from one point to another. Pretty simple. Let's understand it through animation. Suppose these are 2 points, point A and point B. To move charge from point A to point B, we need some force, and this force is voltage. Remember, charges only move towards low voltage point. Say point A is at 25 volt and point B at 0 volt. Then charges move from point A towards point B. Similarly, this animation is also describing the same process. Note here, when both points are at same voltages, there is no movement in charges. Now moving forward, what is current? Current is simply defined as a movement of charges from one point to another. So, voltage is the force behind movement of these charges and movement of charges is current. Simple. Looking at the animation, the same process is again shown here where charge is moving from point to point. The next term is resistance. So, resistance is the opposition to the flow of charges or electrons. In animation, I show that the speed of charges has been slowed down due to resistance. So, concluding 3 important terms, voltage is force behind movement of charges is current, and opposition to the flow of charges is resistance. Finally, let's discuss about symbols and units of terms discussed today. Symbols and units are mentioned on the screen as you can see. So I hope all of you found this video helpful. If yes, then consider liking and subscribing. It gives motivation to improve the content. I will be back with next video, but till then, bye.